Hello, students, teachers, parents, history nerds. Hello, everybody, and welcome to Nutshelled History, where we lay out the facts, the good, the bad, and the ugly. We are continuing our ancient history series by looking at the rise of civilization. Don't forget that there's a link for a fill-in-the-blank worksheet in the description. I just ask that you like and subscribe. I apologize for any mispronunciations ahead of time. I do my best. Farming led to the appearance of small settlements. These settlements eventually grew into cities. How did cities lead to civilizations? As cities grew, some became centers of civilizations. A civilization is a society that has cities, a well-organized government, and workers with specialized job skills. For a civilization to rise, there had to be a surplus of food. This meant people had to manage their resources well. A resource is a supply of something that can be used as needed. The most important resources for an early civilization were fertile soil, fresh water, and seeds for farming. The earliest civilizations appeared in southwestern Asia. Later, civilizations appeared in other parts of the world. 4 of the oldest civilizations developed in major river valleys. Civilizations changed the environment. Farmers built irrigation systems. People cut down trees or cleared land with fire to build houses, temples, and markets. What are the features of civilizations? Most civilizations shared 8 features. First, they had cities. As food surpluses grew, city populations grew, and cities became civilizations. Cities were centers of religion, government, and culture. Second, they had well-organized governments. Strong governments were necessary for managing resources and training an army to defend a society. Third, civilizations had an established religion or set of beliefs shared by everyone in a society. Fourth, there was job specialization. This allowed people to develop many skills and talents. Fifth, there were social classes. Social classes are groups of people that occupy different ranks or levels in a society. Sixth, there were public works such as roads, water systems, and city walls. Seventh, there were arts and architecture that enriched the people's lives and marked a society as an advanced civilization. Eighth, most civilizations had a writing system, whether it was based on pictures or sounds. At first, writing was used to keep records. Later, it was used to record laws, write down prayers, and describe mighty deeds. In a nutshell, farming kicked off the whole city building thing. Small settlements popped up, and before long, there were full-blown cities. As these cities grew, they became the heart of civilizations, where people organized governments, created specialized jobs, and managed resources like fertile soil, water, and seeds, basically the original ingredients for success. Civilizations changed the environment by building irrigation systems and clearing land for their growing cities. What made these early civilizations tick? They had cities, governments, religions, specialized jobs, social classes, public works like roads and walls, arts, and of course, writing systems. Writing started as a way to keep records, but soon expanded to document everything from laws to epic battles. So, in a nutshell, civilizations were like the first multitasking societies, balancing food, politics, and a little bit of creativity along the way. There you have it, folks. That is the rise of civilizations nutshelled. Thanks for stopping by Nutshelled History. Don't forget to be civilized by going nuts on those like and subscribe buttons for me. See y'all later on Nutshelled History.